This is the unboxing of the Moto G8 Plus. I got it refurbished from Amazon, and I also got the case from Amazon, the Spigen Moto G8 Plus case. Even though I'm primarily an iPhone user, I like to keep an Android handy, and I'll just connect it through Wi-Fi, hotspot, what have you, to make use of it and to I guess to experiment a little bit and actually just to use when I want to use a mobile device, but not necessarily use my phone. I currently use a Moto G6 Plus right here, and the difference should be in terms of the Moto G8 upgraded specs, camera wise, speaker wise, processor, RAM wise, and with the G8 it should have a kind of a teardrop notch thing going on. So it should have a better screen to body ratio, even though I didn't mind the ratio with the G6 Plus. But this is an upgraded phone, so, and I'm really not a fan of these teardrops, these notches, but hopefully it's not too bad. And I want an upgraded phone, and these Moto ones are inexpensive, but you still get some good quality features with it. Alright, there we go. Moto G8 Plus quad pixel 48 megapixel sensor. Front quad pixels, okay. Stereo speakers, big battery, yep, good battery life that these Moto G8s have. And definitely a big screen. You see the little teardrop camera notch thing going on. So yeah, I look forward to using this as my secondary, just handy Android secondary smart device, just to have something inexpensive but still functional and somewhat modern. I doubt it'll take pictures of videos better than my iPhone 8, which I'm currently using. And I hope to get my iPhone 8 Plus soon, because I'd rather just have a bigger screen, especially since I'm primarily an iPhone user, and I do the video editing as well on my phone. I don't even use a Mac or computer for it, so I am productive with the phone, at least for YouTube. But yeah, this is the Moto G8 Plus. Got it refurbished, so it came with this clear case. Let me get this clear case off just so we can get a good look at the phone. I feel like I'm pulling at it. All right. So what is this? A midnight blue, black kind of thing? I'm not sure what kind of color this is, but you can see it in the light. Nice color. Cool. I wonder if it has any charge to it. Hit that power button. Oh yeah. So you can definitely see the screen size. Screen to body ratio. Okay. Definitely more than the Moto G6.
Hello, Moto.
Yeah. Alright, this should be fun. This is just like a quick unboxing of it in 2021. Got this phone a few weeks ago, but I just haven't had time to open it up and unbox it yet and go ahead and start, and to start using it. But yeah, this is it. My first phone with a notch teardrop thing going on. So reality, maybe when you add up the notch and obviously this display ratio isn't 16:9. When you watch the video, I'm sure it'll be cut off with black bars on those sides, and because even my Moto G6 Plus gets cut off when I'm watching 16:9 videos. So, but it's definitely come in handy to get more screen real estate when I'm looking at things vertically, horizontally. It probably won't be much of a difference. But yeah, that's the quick unboxing. Moto G8 Plus, refurbished from Amazon. I'm not gonna unbox the case, Spigen case, no need. I'll eventually put the Spigen case on it. Right now, I use the clear one that came in the box. Quick unboxing, 2021. Iceberg gem out. Deuces. Oh, and before I forget, it also comes with the power brick and the charger. Obviously, it should be USB-C. Because the G6 Plus is USB-C, so there's no doubt that it's USB-C. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. All right, I'm out for real this time. Deuces.